Welcome, Sam. So good to see you again. Thank you for coming. And I was wondering, it's fascinating to hear about that Wells Fargo have a accelerator here in San Francisco. I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit about what you guys are doing.
Yeah, so the Wells Fargo Startup Accelerator started in 2014, kind of like a dark mode, and we've kind of launched more officially in 2015, right around when I joined actually in September, so about 2 years now. And we're a custom program focused around the innovation brought to Wells Fargo through these different companies. So unlike other accelerator programs, which are maybe a little bit more set in stone, every single engagement's custom.
Okay.
What's really important is we have to have a line of business wanting to work with this particular startup. So there's a big emphasis behind a sponsorship, if you will, with a line of business. So that's mentoring from the line of business as much as it is working on like a proof of concept or something a little bit more, something a little bit less. Each one's custom. Each one starts different times, roughly around 6 months, entirely virtual. So we have actually half the team in Minnesota, another half here, and 50 to 500,000 investment, either convertible note or follow-on equity round.
So that must be really great as far as for the startups, because they're getting inside knowledge about what direction to go and what if their focus is going to line up with your focus, correct?
Absolutely. For us, it's we're always focused on our customers first and foremost. And to be honest, we can kind of speed things up to market if we work with different FinTech companies. Yeah, exactly. We've got to evolve and adapt in order to keep up.
So tell me, what's your personal vision of where you think things are going as far as FinTech startups and the banks go?
You know, if you asked me that question 2 years ago, when I was a little bit fresh at Wells Fargo, I would probably have a different tune than what I'm singing now. But I'm dealing with, so what I do with the Wells Fargo Startup Accelerator, I'm on the investment team and I actually run it. So I bear the most headache when it comes to anything compliance, anything regulation. So if you know any reg tech companies, please let me know. And oh man, it's just, I would like to say Wells Fargo does have kind of a relationship with customers that won't go anywhere. I'm sure some will be able to leave, some are quite in tune with it. But there's also just such a heavy regulatory pressure that a lot of fintech startups aren't used to or won't be able to handle or withstand. And I think banks kind of have, the advantage in that. And if they work together, maybe the banks can brunt the front of that, and then the fintechs can help us relearn what our customers want, how they want it, and how we should deliver it, because they're obviously shaking things up already.
So if we all work together, the future will be bright.
Yeah, 100%.
Thank you so much, Sam. I'm really looking forward to this panel. I think it'll be great fun.
I can't wait. Thank you so much.